Hello guys, you first let's suppose I want to change thumbnail for my this video, how to transfer files from uh, mobile to laptop. I have made a thumbnail for it and that's I have saved in my gallery. So first of all you need to install YouTube Studio from your Play Store. Then you simply log into that. Then you simply go to the video, and here you see the edit sign. You edit that, click there, and then you will have an option like this. And here you can see, here it's an edit sign again, click there, and here it is written edit thumbnail. I'll just simply custom thumbnail. Then in my files here you can see I have already have made a thumbnail using my Photoshop. I'll click done, then I'll save it. So this is how I can add a thumbnail to my YouTube video, or anytime I want to change I can change it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more short videos like this.